to my channel. For everyone who's new, I'm the vegan Bossa. Today we are gonna be making the creamiest pasta ever. It is quick and easy to prepare and fully packed with flavors, and it will be ready in your table in 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, have a look at the recipe.
First, for this recipe we need starchy potatoes. I'm gonna use the Yukon Gold ones, which is high in starch. Then I'm gonna use a shortcut pasta because this is the best for this recipe. I'm gonna use tortiglioni, but you can use rigatoni or penne at home. Then I'm gonna use 2 yellow onions, which are the best for this recipe. I'm gonna clean them and chop them finely. Leave the chopped onions aside and then clean the potatoes and start cutting them into small dices of 1 inch. A very good tip to keep your potatoes from discoloring and oxidizing while you are working, you should put them into a bowl full of water. Then crush and peel 1 garlic clove. Now that all the ingredients are ready, we will start the recipe. Take a pan and put it over medium heat. Add some olive oil. Add the garlic clove. Let it cook for a while, 1 or 2 minutes, and then take it away from the pan because we don't need too much garlic flavor to this pasta. Then add the onion, let it cook for a while, add the salt and black pepper. Saute the onions for 10 minutes over medium flame until they turn a little bit translucent. Then add the potatoes, mix them well with the onion, and add half liter of water. After adding the water, leave them boil over medium heat for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, put some water to boil for the pasta and start cooking the pasta as per instruction in the package. Then, after a while, the potatoes will be quite ready. Drain the pasta and add it to the creamy potato sauce that we have prepared and let it cook for 30 seconds to 1 minute by mixing it well. It will become so creamy. Then add some fresh basil leaves. A very good tip is always to chop the basil leaves with your hands. Doing this way, the flavors will be released inside the pasta and will not be lost during the chopping process. You can add also some vegan grated parmesan. For everyone who is interested, I will leave this recipe here in the right corner. You can click on and you can see it. It's very simple, it's easy, and you will always have vegan parmesan at home. And it's only a 2 ingredients recipe, so go and have a look. And enjoy your pasta!
I hope you really enjoyed this pasta recipe and you will try to make that at home. If you like this video, please leave a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Until the next time.